Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve question number 10 of exercise 11.2, that is of Fourier series. In this question students, an function of alternating current is given where the limits are just like that, 0 to pi. The function will be I I sin theta, and from pi to 2 pi the function will be 0. So as we know that the function can be represented by this general formula, a naught by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity a n cos n x plus this thing. So I'm just going to calculate the value of a naught. Students, one more thing before starting this video, just go through my previous video, as this video will help you how to solve these questions. Okay. So now I'm just going to find the value of a naught. So a naught is 1 by pi integration of function from this limit to that limit. Okay. One more thing, pi to 2 pi, the function's value is 0, so no need to integrate this. So I'm just going to integrate the function in between the limits from 0 to pi. So here 0 to pi sin theta d theta, I by pi I will put outside because I is a constant term, that is the function I sin theta d theta. So from here I will take outside common, and integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, and putting the limits from 0 to pi we will get minus I by pi, minus I am taking outside also, so this minus will be there only, and inside cos pi and cos 0, so this value will be like that. And finally we will get the value of a naught equals to 2i by pi, as cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 is also 1, so minus 1 will be minus 2, and this minus will cancel out this minus, so this value will become 2i by pi, and the and the value of a naught by 2 will be I by pi only. Okay. So now finally we are going to calculate an, and the formula of an is also just like that, function and sin nx dx. Okay, that is for the value of an, putting the limits according to whatever given. So here that is cos nx, I will write it cos nx only. Okay. Cos nx, and sin nx is for bn only. Okay, so the value of an will be, function is I sin theta, I am taking outside as it's a constant term, and 1 by pi also over there, so 1 by pi dot I will take there, and sin theta dot cos n theta d theta. Now students, we know that the formula of 2 sin theta cos n theta is sin n plus 1 theta minus sin n minus 1 theta, where n should be greater than 1, only then this function will be eligible. Okay. Now I am going to put this formula over there. So to put this formula, as this is 2 sin theta cos n theta, I will multiply 2 over there, that is 2 over there, and I will divide this equation by 2. So I am going to put it over there 2, and the formula of 2 sin theta cos n theta is just like that, that is sin n plus 1 theta minus sin n minus 1 theta d theta. Okay. So once again, so this value will be I by 2 pi, and integration of sin n plus 1 theta will be minus cos n plus 1 theta divided by n plus 1, minus as it is, and sin n minus 1 theta will be minus cos n minus 1 theta divided by n minus 1. Now putting the limits from 0 to pi, we will get its value just like that, that is cos n plus 1 pi will be minus 1 power n plus 1, as we know that cos n pi is always equals to minus 1 power n. If here n is n plus 1, then I am going to put minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If I will put if I will put cos 0, and one more thing students, here minus also, so I am making it plus over there both sides and taking outside minus common, so this minus is over there. Okay. Now putting cos 0, so cos 0 is 1 divided by n plus 1, so this whole value is just like that for this, and for this value we will similarly put this value like that. Okay. Now solving it further, we will get minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Now minus multiplying with that, this value will be like that, and this minus will be plus 1 by n minus 1. Okay. So minus I by 2 pi into, students, this term, just see, minus 1 power n plus 1, can't I write it like that, minus 1 power n dot minus 1? So I'm just putting it like that. And here this term also minus 1 power n minus 1. I can write it minus 1 power n minus 1 dot 1. And dot 1 I can write minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, if I will multiply this with that term, then we will get minus 1 power n dot minus 1. So I am putting it over there. That will be minus 1 dot minus 1 power n, and here minus 1 I am just splitted it from that side. So this term is just like that. Now solving it further, this term will become negative, this term is negative already, this term will become positive, and this term is already positive. Now further I am just going to solve it for the next series. So this function I am just taking minus I by 2 pi over there and taking LCM, that is n plus 1, n plus 1, n minus 1 and n minus 1. So its LCM will be n plus 1 into n minus 1. Now solving above side minus 1 power n, and to make it to make this value, just see in the previous page, to make this value n plus 1 into n minus 1, we have to multiply n minus 1 over there also. So this value will be n minus 1, put it over there, minus 1, minus 1, 1 minute, sorry for misconvention, that is 1 by n plus 1, and here I put minus 1 into n minus 1, as n plus 1 is over there, so I have to multiply n minus 1 with that. So above side also n minus 1 will be multiplied. That is just LCM, you can take it. Similarly this term and this term. Now further solving it students, we will get minus 1 power n into n minus sorry, just see from this term and from this term I will take minus 1 power n, and inside n plus 1 I will put it over there, and n minus 1 I will put it over there, and plus n plus 1 and minus n minus 1 over there. Okay, now I am taking minus 1 power n common, and inside n plus 1 and n minus 1. So n will cancel out, n, as this is plus and this is minus, and here also n plus 1 minus, if I will multiply minus inside, then this term will become minus and this term will become positive. So n will cancel out n, and that value will be 2 only. So here 2 also and here 2 also. So now this term, in this term, this term will become just like that, and downside n plus 1 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 will be n square minus 1. So this term will become just like that, and we will get it, if I will take 2 outside common, then 2 will cancel out 2, and inside we will get 1 plus minus 1 power n divided by n square minus 1. So this will be the value of an. Now students, if I will sorry, if I will put n equals to 1, so this whole term will become 0, because minus 1 power 1 will be minus 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So this whole term will be 0. If I will put n equals to 2, so this term will be 2 by 3, because 1 plus 1 will be 2, and downside 2 square minus 1 will be 3. If I will put n equals to 3, then this is minus 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, so this whole value will become 0. If I will put n equals to 4, so this term will be just like that. Now that's the time to calculate Bn. Okay, and Bn I am going to calculate by the similar method, that is sin theta, sin n theta, d theta, as we generally know the formula of to calculate the value of Bn, that is sin theta function dot sin n theta d theta. So for the value greater than for the value of n greater than 1, the function, this formula I can write 2 sin theta, sin n theta will be equals to cos n plus 1 into theta minus cos n minus 1 into theta. That is the formula, students. Okay, now only sin theta and sin n theta is there, so I will multiply this term with 2. If I am multiplying, then I will divide it with 2. So this will be 1 by 2 pi only. That's why, because 2 is over there. So I am just going to put this formula over there. Now further solving it, further integrating it, we will get integration of cos n plus 1 theta will be sin n plus 1 theta divided by n plus 1, and here sin n minus 1 theta divided by n minus 1. Students, now putting the limits from 0 to pi, we know that sin pi is 0 and sin 0 is 0, so this value will be 0 minus 0. Now minus here, and sin again pi, sin pi will be 0 and sin 0 will be 0, so the value of Bn will be sorry, 0 only. Okay, but that is only for the condition n greater than 1. Now for n equals to 1, what will we get? what will we get? Bn will be equals to 1 by pi and sine theta, that was the formula, sine theta, sine n theta. So I am just going to put sine at the place of n, I will put n equals to 1. So sine theta dot sine theta will be sine square theta, and the value of sine square theta I can write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now integrating this value 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, we will get 1 by 2 theta minus sine 2 theta by 2. That is not theta over there, sine 2 theta by 2, its integration. Now putting the limits, we will get again 0 to pi, so sine pi is 0 and sine 0 is 0. So here if I will put the value of theta, that is pi minus 0, so this value will be pi minus 0. So pi will cancel out pi and we will get, for n equals to 1, the value of Bn will be equals to 1 by 2, and for the value of n equals to 2, 3, 4, the value of Bn will be 0 only. Okay, so this is the condition. Now finally we will represent it in the Fourier series function, and Fourier series function will be just like that, a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos sorry n theta plus bn sin n theta, and we got the value of a naught by 2, that is over there we calculated a naught by 2 by s was I by pi, so I will put it over there, I by pi plus a n cosine theta. We know that for for even terms a n was 0, for even terms for odd terms a n was 0, and for even terms the values was just like that. So I am just going to put it over there, and here students just see the value is a2 is 2 by 3, and inside will be cos 2 theta, and for a3 is 0, and for a4 that will be 2 by 15 cos 4 theta. Okay, so 2 is coming again and again common. So I am just going to take 2 by 2 common outside. So this value will be 2, I will take outside common, so 2i by pi, I am writing it over there, and inside 1 by 3 cos 2 theta plus 1 by 15 cos 4 theta up to dash dash dash, and the value of Bn is only for 1, so this value will be 1 by 2 sin theta. So this is our required answer. Thank you, have a good day.